kids, and we're back with another software unboxing video. Yes, I know it's been less than a month since the last one, but I have a bank account now. I can do whatever I want with the money. And this. Oh, this is one of them. There's an address in here. I want to censor it. Alright, there you go. I censored the address, but this. Oh, yes. And also, the reason why the camera looks slightly different is because I have a little bit of color correction. Because this light outside is so bright. Oh my god, you do not want to know. Yeah, usually when it's sunny and it's winter out, it's just really bright. Anyways, package. And inside this package is a copy of macOS 10.1. Well, it's an upgrade copy though. Now I'm not sure if it has the box or not. I'm hoping it has the box, but I mean, come on. Like the title on eBay just said it, macOS 10.1 Puma upgrade. Like you can only get so far with that title. You can only assume so much. Yeah. Plus, also, I don't think the description gave me any details, so I don't know. But judging by the shape of this package, I'm gonna say it doesn't have a box. Hey kids, mid-editing, thatonewindowsfan here. I actually discovered something new. Okay, so spoiler alert, but this is the this is the macOS 10.1 thing. As you can see, it only comes in a little pamphlet, and I thought it had a box at first. It's kind of like the Windows XP, and just kind of like the Windows XP box, where it's just a pamphlet inside a box. But, no, this is the upgrade version. Just only comes in this little pamphlet. I think there was a big box version that was bootable. That came in a big box. The upgrade version only comes in a pamphlet. I think the only things I could find for the upgrade were pamphlets. So yeah. Anyways, continue the video. Hey, if it doesn't have a box, then hey, that's fine. I could just complain to the seller that the title was too vague. Anyways, let's open it. Oh well, that's just great. Oh wait, hold on now. I think this is. Oh. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, this is actually. I was expecting it to be like. I was expecting the box to be like this size. See this Windows XP copy? Like it's that size. No, it's like actually smaller. Can you see? Yeah. So yeah, it was actually the full box copy. Okay. I just did not know macOS came in that kind of style box. Ooh, bubble wrap. Come on, you know I have to. Let's open this package and see what's on the inside. Okay, so, yeah, so it's an upgrade, so we won't be able to install it on the PowerBook G4, which, you know, I made a whole video on the PowerBook G4, trying to install macOS on it, and ultimately failing. Made that like 3 months ago, so, you know, if you want to go check it out, it's in the cards. So, yeah, macOS 10, you get that beautiful Aqua 10 with, version 10.1 upgrade CD. Wow, okay. And, the back it says, unleash the full potential of your new Macintosh with macOS 10. The super modern operating system that delivers the power of Unix with the legendary simplicity and elegance of the Macintosh. Wow. If we open this up here. So, meet your new desktop. Oh, there's the disk right there. But it says, meet your new desktop. Introducing Aqua, the stunning new user interface of macOS 10. And it just shows you all the Aqua stuff. Yay. Oh, okay, so it kind of like folds. You know, this is kind of like Windows XP's, like, box. Just, yeah. There's our manual. Here's our manual. Welcome to macOS 10, and just shows you everything that you need to get started. Wow. Here's just a license agreement. Yeah, okay. Is there anything else in here? Oh, hey, look. It's a copy of macOS 9. The macOS 9.2.1 update CD. What is this? Is this like an actual copy of macOS 9, or is this just something? Do they just debate the hell out of you? Alright, pausing the video again because, another update. You see, this isn't actually a full-fledged copy of macOS 9. This is specifically the macOS 9.2.1 update CD. So, this is, right here, is just just so you can upgrade from like a previous version of macOS 9, like 9.0.4, just to 9.2.1. You see, and the reason why they include that is because, like, in here, in the manual here, there is a page for Classic, and it says right here, like right here, tips for advanced macOS users. To use Classic, you must have macOS 9.1 or later installed. So that's why they include this CD, just so you can upgrade to macOS, just so you can update to macOS 2.1 to make it compatible with macOS 10 Classic things. There you go. Just another update out of the way. I don't know. Well, let's take it out because it's cool. Cool looking. Wow, look at it. I'm holding the copy of macOS 9, I think. Yeah. Copyright 2001, all rights reserved. Okay. You can go back in your little sleeve. Yeah, pretty cool. Nothing else in there, so now it's time to take out the main course. I want to snap the disc in half. Ooh. This thing's a little bit of a toughie to get out. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna crap. What's the disc? I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to dirty up the disc, but yeah, there you go. Here it is, macOS 10, 10.1 upgrade CD requires macOS 10. So yeah, we can't install the PowerBook G4, but at least we can look at it. Ooh, it's the beautiful X. So yeah, yeah, you can definitely see the aqua everywhere. Yeah, so yep, this is my first macOS boxed copy, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, this macOS 9 disc, I'm not sure what's on this. Gonna have to, like, I'm not sure if this is, like, an actual copy of macOS 9 that the seller just threw in there. I'm not sure if this was included by default. I'm not sure if this is even a full copy, but, you know, it's very interesting. If it is a full copy, then I'm just gonna display it, like, on the bookshelf over there, because, you know, it deserves its own spot. It's macOS 9. Why wouldn't it? Put that up all in there, and there we go. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my macOS 10.1 unboxing video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.